Hi, this is a quick video to show you how to request an item when it is owned by a library that's part of the Marmot Library Network. You're welcome to request items owned by Marmot Libraries in Swift. If the item has an ISBN number, such as this example does, you can simply just place the request as normal and as usual and just let the Swift system automatically build the list of lenders. Swift will know which libraries in Marmot do lending in Swift and if they also have it available. So it will automatically send this request to those libraries. So you don't have to worry about knowing which libraries do lend and which don't in Marmot. When an item does not have an ISBN, there are a few extra steps you need to take, and I'll show you how to do those steps right now. Let's say, for example, we wanted to request this item right here, Finding Nemo and the video recording. The first step I want to take is to look at more details of this item. So I can do that by clicking on this link right here, the title link, or by clicking on Details. They both take me to the same place, which is a bibliographic record to see more information. What I want to do, since I already know this doesn't have an ISBN, is to scroll to the very bottom of the item. Here I can see the holdings information. This tells me exactly which Marmot library owns the item and has it available. So here I can see I have 3 locations that own the item. 2 from Garfield County, the Newcastle and the Glenwood Springs branches, and the Vail Public Library. By scrolling over here to the availability area, I'm able to see that the 2 Garfield County libraries do not have the item available. So I want to avoid sending them this request. I do not want to send them this request since they don't have the item available. The next thing I also do not want to do is to send the item to a library if it is not listed as a library that owns this item. I only want to send this request to a library that I can see here owns the item and has it available. So here I can see Vail Public Library owns the item and has it on the shelf. So this means this is safe for me to request. To request this item, I simply just click on the request button. All of the bibliographic information fills in. I change my authorization status to authorized, which lets the Swift system know that I will be building the list of lenders myself. Next, I'll scroll down to the row to details. Next, I want to come to the library symbol or location name box. Here is where I want to enter Vail Public Library. And I can just simply type in Vail Public or Vail Public Library or just even Vail and click on Search. Here I have Vail Public Library and it also shows in my selected box. This means that this is the ROTA or the list of lenders where this request will go to. Again, I do not want to add any other lenders to this list unless I have specifically verified they own it and have it available. Once I'm done adding Vail to the list of lending libraries, I can also add an item note if I choose to, or I can do anything else to this request that I need to. Once I am done doing everything with the request, I simply click the request button to submit the request. This request will then go just to the Vail Public Library and hopefully they'll be able to fulfill it for us. Again, please avoid sending a request that you find owned by the Marmot Library Network to all libraries that are part of Marmot. Many lending libraries in Marmot receive requests for things they don't own, and this causes them to spend a lot of time responding to those requests. So please always verify and always make sure a Marmot library owns it and has it available. Thank you.